Hi there, fellow travelers. Are you tired of digging through a messy suitcase just to find your laptop at the airport security checkpoint? Today on Budget Buying, we are checking out the best carry-on luggage with front compartment that will completely change how you pack for trips. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Tide Sea Care 16-inch carry-on luggage, it becomes very clear that this suitcase was crafted specifically for the modern traveler who values keeping things compact without sacrificing internal organization. Having a reliable travel companion makes all the difference, and this brilliant suitcase brings a sophisticated approach to packing for any business or leisure trip. Let us dive right into the most impressive part of this bag, which is the highly sophisticated front compartment layout. This bag completely solves the frustrating problem of airport security by offering two dedicated storage spaces right on the front. You get a specially divided pocket that is perfectly sized to securely hold a 14-inch tablet. Right next to that pocket, there is a spacious main section specifically designed to protect a full-sized 14-inch laptop. This intelligent layout makes it incredibly easy to quickly retrieve your essential devices during strict security checks or while working on the go. You no longer have to expose your personal clothing to the entire airport just to grab your computer. Moving directly onto the exterior design, this fantastic luggage boasts a highly distinctive black brushed pattern. This unique finish provides a stunning high-grade metal texture that catches the bright lights beautifully as you walk through the terminal. It looks incredibly stylish, highly modern, and professional, making it the perfect accessory for important business trips. Furthermore, this beautiful brushed pattern is not just there for good looks. It actively helps to cleverly conceal minor scuffs and daily scratches that naturally happen during constant travel, ensuring your luggage continues looking pristine for years to come. When it comes to physically carrying your personal items, base weight and interior space are always major concerns. Amazingly, this highly durable luggage weighs only 2.9 kilograms when completely empty. That lightweight design means you will never strain your arm lifting it into a high overhead compartment. Despite being so pleasantly light and conveniently compact, it surprises you by offering a generous 39-liter internal capacity. You can effortlessly pack enough fresh clothing, extra shoes, and toiletries for a busy business trip or a fun short-haul adventure without feeling limited by your bag size. Once you finally open the main packing area, you will immediately find an interior layout designed to keep everything neatly arranged. To prevent your clean clothes from getting wrinkled and jumbled together in a messy ball, the suitcase features durable elastic cross straps that firmly hold your folded garments securely in place during transit. Alongside these strong straps, there are wonderfully breathable mesh zip compartments built directly into the center divider. The breathable mesh material allows fresh air to naturally circulate, keeping your personal items smelling fresh while letting you visually see exactly what is packed inside. Security is understandably a massive priority for any modern traveler, and this suitcase handles it brilliantly with a top-mounted dual-control TSA lock. This innovative dual-control design means that it robustly protects both the front electronics compartment and the main clothing compartment at the exact same time. You get total peace of mind knowing your expensive laptop, important documents, and private belongings are completely secure from unexpected theft. Because it is an officially certified TSA lock, airport security agents can safely inspect your bag using their master key without ever damaging your zippers or breaking your expensive lock. Finally, The overall rolling experience is unmatched thanks to extremely premium hardware choices. It utilizes incredibly smooth YKK reverse coil zippers that glide effortlessly around the tight corners of the bag without snagging or getting stuck. Paired perfectly with these high-quality zippers are the world-famous Hinomoto Mute wheels. These premium wheels offer a completely silent, buttery smooth rolling experience across any hard surface. Whether you are gliding across shiny airport floors or walking over bumpy sidewalks outside your hotel, the bag moves silently and effortlessly right beside you, making your entire journey feel luxurious. Do not let a messy bag ruin your next trip. Check the price link in the description to easily grab yours today. Always remember to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more amazing daily product finds. Have a wonderful journey, and I will catch you in the next video.